So like I was saying, starting out on YouTube is kind of hard. We were just playing, stopping at the grocery store, coming home. But I'll try to touch base a little bit. I gotta go get the kids out of the car, get the groceries out of the car. I'll see you in a little bit.
Sissy, this is Wally, this is Wally, this is Luca, this is Sickle.
Sickle.
Now, that's Amelia.
Amelia? I thought this one was Amelia.
I'm still Amelia now.
But this one's Amelia too?
Yeah.
Oh. And this one was what?
Milka.
Milka?
Yeah.
Is it made of milk?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, stop watch it pull it apart and it'll be stuff it.
What?
This is Wally. This is Wally. What's this name again, Dad? Here.
What?
What's this name again?
I thought it was Amelia.
Amelia. And Wally.
Okay.
And Milka.
Milka. Milka, Riley, and Amelia.
No. Bad Amelia.
Milka.
This is a bad Amelia. No,
This is bad.
no, I'll show you the agitator. After the show's done.
What show?
I don't know.
What's she watching?
Fishing.
Fishing.
All the other fishing. Now I'm going to relax and
Hi. Amelia. This little one right here. Now it's... That's a way close up picture. Back up. Do your splits. Practice. Knee down. There you go. There you go. We're scoring you. Come on. What is that? Two scores. Ah, 1 for 1. Haha. Oh, it's right here. Watch this. See that ball is gonna go past that board. Isn't that one went in, however. Alright, let's go. Oh. Bye. My turn.
You're on the wrong side.
Come on.
I got break. I better cross you. They get all reserved.
Can't score. He plays soccer.
Shocking.
What? Shocking? Oh.
If you're doing that.
Mommy just got you.
No! That ball's too hard. You're out.
What? Single player arcade?
No, wrong one.
Yeah, what are we doing?
Oh, you want practice first? Wait, this one first.
Oh, what do we have to do here?
This you place like this as a guy. This helps kind of.
What do you mean? I died? How did I die? Does anyone know what I'm doing here? I died again.
Yeah, they're taking the guys out.
Wow, I just like spawn and die. You see that, guys?
Circle thing.
I died again.
Look, kitty. Meow meow. Chip.
Save your eye.
Meow meow.
Okay. Someone dropped her off. Hi, Whoa, is that turning? So, yeah, we're finally home, but yeah, I just wanted to kind of go over this because I am new and this whole process has been somewhat challenging. I'm still learning my video editing and stuff, but I'm still learning the type of camera or the angles or what I should be recording, what I shouldn't be recording. I mean, it's kind of hard. I'm doing family vlogs. I can't even talk. I'm doing family vlogs. Are really fun to do with my kids, but
I do.
yeah, I know you do. And I just want to throw it out there. Don't get discouraged if you're new. I mean, I'm new. I'm small, but I'm doing what I want to do. I'm doing what I like to do, and that's really what it's all about. Doing stuff I want to do. Pizza.
Yep.
Pizza.
And ice cream.
And ice cream. High five. High five. There we go. But
this is my big daddy.
Big daddy. Oh, grandpa.
My little babies.
I need to get some more sunglasses though. My wife just stole them.
My mom.
Maybe I can get some of those tricks and glasses. You know who I'm talking to. But
What tricks and glasses? What tricks and
later.
Bye.
Oh, bye.
Bye.
See you next one.
Bye.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and hit that like button, alright? Thanks for watching us, and stay tuned for more. Bye.